Hi, welcome back to another cool video. In this video, the look I created is inspired by my Queen Lagertha. In Vikings Season 5, Lagertha wears this amazing war paint in the battle against Ragnar's son Ivar. I really love this battle look. It's a bit of a mix of Blade Runner and Hellblade's Senua's Sacrifice. As always, I start with a clean face. I add concealer and foundation. I've powdered up the foundation, added rouge for some color, and with a bronzer I sculpt my face. Before I start with my war paint, I also add some black cayenne on my waterline. And just because it's a dirty battle look, a clean base is always mandatory for a good makeup. Now the real fun starts. With AQUACOLOR black from Kryolan, I start cleaning my war paint. I first wet my brush in water and add a bit of the product. I never just put the product directly to my face. I first test it on the palm of my hand. The more water I add, the more translucent the color will be. For this makeup, I use two synthetic brushes by Makeup Studio. A fine thin one that you would normally use for eyeliners and small details, and a middle flat brush to cover a large surface. Once the product has dried, I retrace it with more product to build contrast and texture by creating different shades of black. The first time I had a glimpse of Lagertha's war paint, I noticed the fine brush strokes within the war paint. My focus in this makeup is on creating that same feeling within the black color. I dab my temples with a stipple sponge and the same black that I used for the eyes. This creates a contrast and gives a dirty look. I apply it to random spots on my face and neck, seeing as the dirt it represents never has a specific place. But if you would do this for a movie or TV show, continuity is important, even with seamlessly messy and random things as dirt or blood. Since this is a war paint, I also add some Ben Nye dark blood with a dark stipple sponge. Normally I would add more because I love a bloody look, but today we'll keep it low key. I hope you enjoyed this look that was inspired by Lagertha. Until next time, stay awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and last but not least, subscribe.